Fun Tech channel, and today YouTube video tutorial I will be teaching you the step by step the method that you can apply to tag, how to add tag to your YouTube video. And the first step for you is to go to your YouTube studio. When you get to your YouTube studio, this is our YouTube studio. You are going to click on the video that you want to add tag to. So for the next step is to go to contents. You can see you can see contents here. You are going to click on contents. You are going to click on the dashboard or contents. You can click on the video, maybe on content on dashboard, but I want to use dashboard, so I'm going to click on the video that I want to add tag to. So how to edit WhatsApp messages, how is the video that I want to add my tag to. So I'm going to click on the video. You can see, so that is the video. So it's loading our page. Then you are going to click the pen icon of my the pen that appear on my thumbnail of my video. You are going to click on it. You can see, just follow the step. Then you are going to scroll down. You can see more option tags. You are going to click that's more options. Then you can see tag at the first option at the top. You are going to click on that. Then you are going to add your tag. My tag will be based on my title. That will be WhatsApp messages. Edit WhatsApp. Edit. Edit WhatsApp messages. How to edit WhatsApp text messages. How to edit WhatsApp text messages. That is how you are going to add your own text messages. Then this is what I want to add to my video based on the description and the title of my video. Then I'm going to click on the back arrow